Yo, what's good everybody? Hope your day is going great. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make these brainrot VFX that everyone is using in the underground scene right now, and literally just a click. All the assets I'm going to be using are drag and drop. Shout out to the boy TinyTapes for hooking me up, and he's hooking y'all up as well. If you use code MNRTMO at checkout, you'll get $5 off your order for this pack. So go check it out and use my code if y'all are trying to save some money, y'all. But anyways, I'm going to show y'all how to make these effects. Let's get straight to it. Alright, so inside of Premiere Pro, what I'm going to do first is just delete everything that I already put on top of the video, and we're going to start with a clean plate just like this one right here. And what I'm going to do now is just import the GEEK effects. So I have them both right here, and I'm just going to throw it into my project panel. So now that I've got the assets in here, I'm going to start off with GEEK effects 1. You got PNGs and MP4s, and what I've done is I've just separated them myself so I can just go through all of them easier. And as you guys can see, you have a bunch of different options for the videos, and for the PNGs as well. You have 115 items. You have a bunch of different things to play with if this would load. As you guys can see, we have a bunch of like chains, a bunch of birds, doves, we have these cool like AI effects right here. We have like cool gunshots that are pixelated, just a bunch of cool like brain rot effects that you can just throw into the video super easily with drag and drop just like this. So we're gonna go through and we're gonna see what we're going to use for this first clip, and I think what would look cool for this first clip is like this kind of frame. So I'm just gonna throw that right above my clip, and I'm just gonna play with the scale and the positioning of this to try to get it centered over the clip. So if you want to drag it out, as you guys can see, the height is good but the width is not. What you guys can do is just click uniform scale, and you can just play with the width just like that. So as you guys can see, now it's covering the whole screen, and we're just gonna go through the other things in this pack, see what we can add onto this. I think these eye animations look super fucking cool. I'm just gonna throw the eye animation on, and I'm just gonna like zoom out and just like place it right there. As you guys can see, we get this kind of look now. And if you want to like that VHS kind of stretched out look on your clip, you just do the same thing with the uniform scale and just bring up the scale just like that. So now you can see the image is like stretched out, and we're just gonna cut this right there. And for the second clip now, we're gonna do the same thing, but I think it's already done. I already scaled the height on this one. So now I'm just gonna go to the GEEK effects 2, and I'm gonna add in a video overlay. We got the chains, we have the bracelets right here looping, got a bunch of cool stuff. I think I'm going to do the chain loop right here, and I'm just gonna cut this and have it centered on our subject. And I'm going to add a background to kind of just tie it all together. So I'm going to go to the GEEK effects and go to the PNGs. So in the second one, you have over 147 PNGs, which is super fire. And I think I'm going to stay on like the whole chain idea. So for this one, I think which one would look cool? In my opinion, I think, yeah, this looks super cool. So I'm going to throw that in, cut it. And now we have like these two chains on our timeline. And another effect that I think is super cool in these packs is like the talking heads. So if I were to go down, yeah, it's in this one. You can just throw in these like crazy talking heads. You have some normal people, and then you got like some scary shit right here. Like this one is crazy. Let me just throw that on this. This looks diabolical. Yeah, let me just throw that on. I mean, with these GEEK effects, you just gotta do a bunch of random stuff. Just have fun with it. Try to make it like look as trash as possible. That's kind of like the whole artistic direction behind these GEEK effects, is just putting in a bunch of these brain rot effects and just stacking them on top of each other. Like these background overlays are absolutely crazy. You could just throw that on, just have everything like on top. I don't know, you can just play around with this like really however you want. I think I'm just gonna take the talking head off low-key. There's like endless customizations. There's a bunch of different assets in these packs. So that is pretty much how these assets work. I just did something really quick. It doesn't look the best, but I'm just showing you guys what these assets can do. I'm going to pop up on screen the actual video I made earlier before recording, showing off these effects, because it was a lot better than the stuff that I just threw on screen. But I was just showing you guys what this pack has and showing you the bunch of different customization options that it has, especially in the GEEK effects 1. You got 68 video items. You have all of this right here. These ones right here are super cool. The eye backgrounds are absolutely killer. You got the psychedelic looking stuff right here. You just got a bunch of cool stuff. My personal favorite is the brain border right here. I think this looks absolutely crazy. Like, yeah, these effects are super hard. They're crazy. So yeah, we had all of these videos right here. The war on swag, it's pretty funny. You got the 1-800 save yourself right there. I mean, these effects are super simple to use. You just want to take your time with this and really play with the customization to really make it look intentional with these, or else it just looks like it's just too much on screen. So you got to be careful and use these correctly. So yeah, so if you guys want to go get this GEEK effects pack, it's on me this time, boys. Use my code, get that money off. So that's it for today. I'm going to be dropping a bit more tutorials as of next week. I'm going to be bringing back some more complex stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, do not forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more content just like this. And keep hitting that sub button, boys. We're growing so quickly, it's insane. So yeah, if you guys want me to keep dropping these videos full time, I will. Just show the love and support. And if you want to support the channel, you guys can check out my website where I do sell digital assets, such as my best sellers, which are the energy presets, which add a bunch of shakes, hit, and movement to your videos, as well as my opium presets, which pair super well with these GEEK effects. So yeah, if you guys want to go check out my presets, link is down below. And on that note, I will catch you guys on Sunday. Peace out, boys.